In a world of increasingly hybrid motorcycles trying to appeal to every kind of rider, the 2025 KTM 450 SMR stands defiantly pure. It doesn't blur lines, it doesn't play both sides. It makes one promise and delivers on it with surgical precision. To dominate on a closed-course Supermoto track, born directly from KTM's racing pedigree, the 450 SMR has long been the benchmark in Supermoto racing. With its explosive power, razor-sharp handling, and race-focused engineering, it's already a machine many riders revere. But KTM's engineers weren't satisfied. For 2025, they've implemented a series of calculated upgrades not to change the identity of the SMR, but to elevate its consistency, responsiveness, and speed. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 KTM 450 SMR not just a great supermoto, but one of the most focused racing motorcycles on the market today. Built with purpose, no compromise, no confusion. KTM has a reputation for building ready-to-race motorcycles, and the 450 SMR is perhaps the truest embodiment of that mantra. It is not street legal. It is not made for beginners. There are no passenger pegs, no comfort concessions, and absolutely no fluff. This is a purebred competition bike designed to take the fight to the kart tracks, go-kart circuits, and short technical road courses where Supermoto thrives. Its singularity of purpose is what makes it so potent. Every component, every line of the frame, and every calibration in the ECU is aimed at one goal: to go faster, turn sharper, and give the rider unmatched control on asphalt. Suspension redefined. The game-changing fork upgradation of the most important updates in 2025 is the replacement of the previous WP Air fork with a WP Zact closed cartridge spring fork. This move is more than just a shift in hardware, it's a transformation in how the bike feels under load, how it communicates with the rider, and how it behaves at the very limits of traction. The Air fork, while lightweight and adjustable, could be unpredictable in extreme braking or cornering situations. The new spring fork offers more linear damping, greater stability, and consistent performance even as track conditions change. The results are real. During testing, riders saw lap times drop by approximately 1 full second, simply due to improved suspension feel and response. That's a significant gain in the Supermoto world, where the competition is tight and margins for error are razor-thin. Engine and transmission, brutal simplicity, refined delivery for 150cc SOHC single-cylinder engine returns unchanged, and, for good reason, it's already one of the best power plants in its class. Delivering roughly 53 horsepower at the wheel, it's tuned for aggressive mid-range torque and responsive throttle. There's no delay, no hesitation, just instant, explosive power that launches you out of corners and down straights. KTM's 5-speed gearbox remains sharp and race-focused, now bolstered by a quick shifter that works from 2nd through 5th gear. This allows the rider to shift without touching the clutch or lifting the throttle, keeping the bike composed and driving forward during intense racing conditions. Equally important is the pseudo-slipper clutch, which comes standard. Under hard downshifts and late braking, it prevents rear-wheel chatter, keeping the bike stable and composed while the rider sets up for the next apex. Electronics that work with you, not against you. In the world of track racing, rider aids can be a double-edged sword, but KTM has taken a minimalist and effective approach with the 450 SMR's electronics package. You get to throttle maps to adjust power delivery, traction control, which can be toggled on or off depending on conditions. Launch control to give racers the perfect start off the line. These aren't flashy, overly complicated features. They're simple, effective, and easy to adjust, giving riders control without interfering when it matters most. Lightweight precision, where every gram counts at a claimed weight of just 240 pounds without fuel. The 450 SMR is stunningly light. This featherweight nature is key to its agility and acceleration. Combine that with razor-sharp geometry and premium components, and you have a bike that feels more like a scalpel than a motorcycle. Its chromely steel frame now features revised cutouts and tuned wall thicknesses, improving flex characteristics. In all the right places, the front end now responds more intuitively during lean transitions, and the entire chassis behaves more predictably when loaded in corners or under braking. Stopping power to match the speed to match its aggressive performance. KTM has equipped the 450 SMR with world-class braking hardware. Up front, a Brembo M50 monoblock caliper clamps onto a 310mm floating rotor, delivering powerful and precise braking force. The Brembo radial master cylinder ensures that lever feel remains consistent, even under repeated hard braking sessions. The rear brake is more subtle, intentionally so. Supermoto racing relies on trail braking and precise modulation of the rear wheel. Too much power here would risk locking up the tire and upsetting the chassis. KTM's rear setup walks that fine line perfectly. Supermoto-specific tires and wheels. Wheels and tires on the 450 SMR are as purpose-built as the rest of the bike. Alpina cast aluminum wheels, 16.5-inch front and 17-inch rear, are mounted with Metzeler Racetech SMK1 slicks, the gold standard for Supermoto competition. These are tubeless tires with a race compound, designed for high-speed grip and minimal rolling resistance. Even the swing arm is widened to accommodate the broader 165 series rear tire, ensuring optimal contact with the ground and maximum drive. Off corners, ergonomics. The rider comes first. Every control on the 450 SMR is placed with racing in mind. The flat, grippy seat, narrow foot pegs, and streamlined bodywork all contribute to a cockpit that gives the rider total command over the motorcycle's behavior. The ergonomics aren't comfortable in the traditional sense, they're purposeful. You won't find plush padding or wind protection here. What you will find is the perfect stance for late braking, deep lean angles, and instant direction changes. KTM also includes handguards and a revised front fender for improved aerodynamics and better debris deflection. These aren't style elements, they're functional details that improve performance. Spec sheet snapshot: engine, 450cc as OHC single-cylinder, liquid-cooled horsepower, approximately 53 transmission, 5-speed with quick-shift turbocharge, Suiter slipper clutch, hydraulic suspension, WP-Zact closed cartridge spring fork front, WP-Zact shock rear brakes, Brembo M50 caliper, 310mm rotor front tires, Metzeler Racetech SMK 116.5F, 17R seat height, 35.4 in weight, approximately 240 pounds, without fuel capacity, 1.9 GAL MSRP, $12,149 availability. November 2025 conclusion: a race-ready supermoto that needs no excuse. 2025 KTM 450 SMR is not a bike for most riders, but for the few who understand what it's built for, there's simply no equal. It's a track day scalpel, a competition-ready machine straight from the factory, and a declaration that performance still matters more than mass appeal.